Hi, I'm Charles Robinson and I'm really excited to be here today to talk to you about the brand new technology Colour Wow Toning Foam in blue and purple. So a lot of people aren't in love with their hair colour and really struggle with brassy tones. If you've got lighter or highlighted hair, you'll really struggle with those yellow tones. And if you've got darker hair, you'll really struggle with those orange tones. The purple will neutralise yellow if you've got blonde, highlighted or grey, lighter hair. And the blue will neutralise any orange tones in your darker hair. Now with these toning foams, it's not messy, you've got a clean scalp, you've got a clean bathroom. They really are a cleaner, friendlier, healthier way to tone your hair. Another major upgrade we've made in our foam is to replace the traditional sticky, crunchy, synthetic resins found in traditional mousses with our rosin. This is natural, it comes from a tree, it's flexible, it gives your hair elasticity, bounce and memory.